The electric SUV market is about to get a lot more interesting. Meet the 2025 Skoda Elroq, a car that might just make you think twice about that Tesla Model Y. This is our first look at Skoda's latest electric offering, and there's a lot to unpack here. For starters, just look at it. Skoda calls this their modern solid design language, and it's definitely turning heads. The front end rocks this sleek closed-off grille that flows into narrow LED headlights, while the Skoda name stretches boldly across the hood. It's a clean, modern look that makes most competitors seem a bit dated. Now let's talk numbers that'll grab your attention. The range-topping 85 version we're looking at today packs 282 horsepower and claims a whopping 360 miles of range. Yes, you heard that right. Even the entry-level 50 version promises 232 miles, which is pretty solid for a base model. And when you need to charge, the 85 model can juice up from 10 to 80% in just 28 minutes at 175 kilowatts. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is space. Lots of it. The Elroq might be smaller than its Enyaq sibling, but you wouldn't know it from the back seat. I'm 6 feet tall, and look at this. Plenty of headroom and legroom to spare. The interior design is clean and modern, centered around this crisp 13-inch touchscreen, though I have to say, bearing the climate controls in the screen might not be everyone's cup of tea. Let's check out the trunk. Pop this open and you've got 470 liters of space. Not class-leading, but more than enough for a family's worth of luggage or a serious shopping spree. The 60/40 split rear seats add flexibility when you need it. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Pricing starts at £31,500. That's seriously competitive for what you're getting. Even the base SE trim comes loaded with 19-inch alloys, LED headlights, and all the safety tech you'd expect. Move up to the Edition trim, and you're looking at goodies like adaptive cruise control and wireless phone charging. What's really caught my attention is how Skoda's positioned this car. It's not trying to be a tire-shredding performance SUV. Instead, it focuses on what families actually need: space, range, comfort, and value. The adaptive suspension available on the 85 Sportline model promises to deliver a smooth ride when you want it and tighter handling when you need it. Of course, we'll need more time behind the wheel to give you our full verdict, but first impressions? The Elroq looks like a serious contender in the electric SUV space. It brings together impressive range, genuine practicality, and smart pricing in a package that doesn't scream, "Look at me, I'm electric." Will it be enough to steal sales from Tesla and other established players? That's the big question. But based on what we're seeing today, Skoda might have just created the everyday electric SUV that many buyers have been waiting for. Want to see more of our first looks and reviews? Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We've got plenty more electric vehicle content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.